Hello and welcome to today's episode of Material Mondays. So you would have seen this piece last week and I've been working on it during the week. So I thought I would show you some of the things that I've done and work on it a little bit. So I've defined the older lady that's leaning here, and I added it's like a metallic wax paint here, down here, on here, and then I went in and I did some stitching on the top of her clothes. We've got now a bird here, so this is the outline of a bird. That's what I started seeing. So the bird's got his wing almost kind of comforting or being comforted because she's got her arm round the bird here. And I've added beading to her neck and her wrists. What else did I do? I think you saw me add the blues on here. Okay, so I wanted to add some, I've got a Posca pen here, but I just wanted to make some really fine dots on the bird using this pen. Now, one of the other things I could have done was to do some, say, French knots. That was Cole. Cole's under my table now. You're making up so much noise. He's just been sleeping. Anyway, so, yeah, I just want to add to the wing. And that's a nice thing with the mixed media. You can combine, like I've combined the thread, the paint, fabric. Okay. So, and then just under its eyes maybe. I was debating whether it should be sleeping or whether it's awake, but okay, I want to make, let me just put one on the wing. Okay, so I want to make the daughter, mother and daughter, I want to make her trousers like a deep red. And I was thinking of the green beading that I was looking at, and I've got a selection here of beads that I might add. I'm not sure in what way I'm going to add it. I'm thinking, like even on the arm, I'm thinking of having beads coming down here, but I'm not sure. So I might add a red. I've got this deep red here, it's fabric paint. So I'm just going to try a small bit, or maybe I incorporate the patternings of the stencil here. And just get a fine brush and maybe dilute it a bit rather than having it neat. And just see, maybe we'll do this large section here and then do the smaller sections. Alternate between the light, have some deep reds and have some lighter colours as well. Like a patchwork, I guess. Okay, so I decided to just paint them all, and you've got the definition of the black, and I like the way that it then separates the two individuals better. You can see a bit better. I don't think you can see very clearly that that's her arm, because we've got a lot of dark here, and maybe I will add some more of the light blue paint that I was working with earlier for out here. And kind of try and separate these two. So I just need a little bit to even maybe just go quite close. Okay. And I want some, as I was thinking of doing this, I was thinking about orange as well, so I want some orange in the mix there. So I've got my metallic paint here, just put some water there. And these are kind of, you know, projects that you can't really rush. Sometimes you do have to step back, step away. And then come back. So let's see where I was thinking. Orange. Maybe emanating from the sun, like just tiny bits, and then bouncing off. Okay, so that's all the paint that I want to put on so far, is sitting. I do need to wait for it to dry. Actually, do you know what I want to do as well? Put some of the white on her earrings, so we're just going to do some dots as well. Okay, and we're thinking about the green still. I haven't decided which green, but maybe these ones. But I'll have to think about again how I want them to sit. Yeah, I think I am going to sit on it for a minute. For a while. I think I do want to use these beads, but because some of the fabric is wet, I might as well allow it to dry adequately. And sometimes, you know, you can only do a small amount in one sitting. So hopefully when I come back, I will have added the beading on her arm and maybe brought it down onto the body area. We'll see. And I want to add some beading to the bird as well. So, and maybe around the sun, I'm not sure. We'll see. Or to her hair. we'll see. So that's what I can do today. Share with you the elements that I've done and already, and the stitching, and just add in some paint to highlight some of the areas I want the sun to look like, you know, it's really kind of present and they're in their moment, reflecting. Okay, so come back next time and I will see how far, we can see how far we've got with this, and we'll actually do some work on it if needs be, and maybe look at the next project that I'll be working on. Okay, so take care for now and I will see you soon.